The Bubblegum Story, written and illustrated by Youa Vang. There was a boy named Marty who wanted some gum. He went to the store so he could buy some. "Good morning, Mr. Clerk. Do you have any gum? I've waited all day so I could buy some. We're all out today. I cannot sell you some. Come back tomorrow and I will have more gum." Marty cried and cried. He did not like that. He walked home feeling sad until he saw his friend Pat. "Hello there, Pat. I see you're chewing gum. Is it true? Am I right? May I please have some?" "Yes, you are right, but I will not share my gum. To the store you should go, and there you can buy some." Marty cried and cried. He felt sad and unlucky. He continued walking home until he saw his friend Spunky. "Hello there, Spunky. Is that a bubble from your gum? Is it true? Am I right? May I please have some?" "Correct. You are right, but I will not share my gum. To the store you should go, and there you can buy some." Marty cried and cried. He wanted to just grab it, but he continued walking home until he saw his friend Abbott. "Hello there, Abbott. Can I trouble you for gum? I've asked all day, but no one would give me some." "I don't have any more. I ate my last piece of gum. To the store you should go, and there you can buy some." Marty cried and cried. He sat on a stump. He was too sad to walk home until he heard Mr. Skunk. "What happened, Marty? I saw you on my way. Why are you crying on this beautiful sunny day?" "Hello, Mr. Skunk. I wanted some gum, but no one would share. They would not give me some." "Do not worry and follow me. I have plenty of gum. I deliver to the store, and I will share more than one." Marty was so happy. He felt very lucky. He continued walking home until he saw Pat, Abbott, and Spunky. "What do you have there? Is that a bag full of gum? Is it true? Are we right? May we please have some?" "Yes, you are right. It's a bag full of gum. To the store you should all go, and there you can buy some." They all cried and cried. They stood there and stared. However, Marty is a kind friend, and so he turned around and shared. The end. A bag full of gum. Let's have a gum party!